Hello, welcome back. I am Julia. Tonight, I want you to close your eyes. Are you comfortable? Is your bed soft? Good. Today was a long day. You worked hard, you studied hard, and now your mind is full of words and thoughts. It feels like you are carrying a heavy backpack. Yes, a heavy bag on your shoulders.
Hi, I'm Finn. I feel that way too, Julia. Sometimes my mental backpack is so heavy. It is full of to-do lists. It is full of what-if questions. But tonight, we are going to take that bag off, one strap at a time. This is not an English lesson. This is a time for you to feel safe. We will use simple English words. Just listen to the sound. Don't worry about the grammar. Grammar can wait until tomorrow.
That's right, Finn. Let's start with a deep breath. Breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3. Now breathe out through your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Feel your shoulders go down. Feel your neck relax. You are doing great. Tonight, we have a plan for your rest. First, we will talk about cleaning your mind. Second, we will learn some water words to wash away stress. Third, we will go to a beautiful, quiet garden together. And finally, we will help you fall into a deep, deep sleep.
I like that plan. You know, many people think they must understand every word, but you don't. Imagine my voice is like a warm blanket. Imagine Julia's voice is like a soft pillow. Even if you only understand 50% of what we say, your brain is still relaxing. Your brain likes the rhythm of these simple words.
So, give yourself a gift, the gift of nothing. You don't have to be a student tonight. You don't have to be a worker. You are just a person, lying in a quiet room. The world is outside. You are inside. You are safe. You are warm. And most importantly, you are not alone. Finn and I are here with you.
In our next part, we will talk about how to label your thoughts. We will use very easy words to make your mind quiet. It's like cleaning a messy room. It feels so good when it's done. Haha, I'm already feeling a bit sleepy just talking about it.
Me too, Finn. Stay with us. Keep breathing slowly. We are going to take that heavy backpack off right now. Let's talk about your mind. Sometimes your mind is like a messy closet. You have too many thoughts in there. Thoughts about work, thoughts about money, thoughts about what you said to a friend. When you try to sleep, all these thoughts come out. They say, "Hey, look at me." It is hard to sleep when your mind is so noisy.
That is so true, Julia. My mind is very noisy at 11 p.m. Haha, but I have a secret. I use English labels. A label is just a simple name. When a thought comes, I don't follow it. I just give it a name in English. For example, if I think about my boss, I say, work thought. If I think about a problem, I say, problem thought.
I like that, Finn. It is like being a librarian. Imagine you are in a quiet library. A thought comes to you. You look at it. You say, "This is a planning thought." You put it on a shelf. You don't have to think about it now. You only need to name it. Can you try that right now? Just one word. Family, health, future. Name it and then let it go.
It works because English is a new language for many of you. When you use English words, your brain stops the stress. It's like watching a car pass by your window. You see the car, you see the color, but you don't run after the car. You stay in your warm bed. You are the boss of your thoughts. The thoughts are not the boss of you.
That is a great image, Finn. I am the boss of my thoughts. Say that in your mind. It feels strong, doesn't it? Your mind is becoming clean now. The messy closet is now organized. There is more space for quiet, more space for peace. You are doing a very good job. Just one word at a time. Stillness, silence, sleep.
I feel so much lighter now. My mental closet is clean. In our next part, we are going to use water words. These are special English words that feel like a cool river. They will wash away the last bits of dust in your mind. Are you ready to feel even more relaxed?
I am ready. I hope you are ready too. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your breathing slow. We are going to feel the water soon. Wash, flow, clear. Stay with us.
Now that your mind is clean and organized, I want you to imagine water. Water is amazing. It doesn't fight. It just flows. It goes around the rocks. It moves slowly. Tonight, we are going to use water words in English. These words are like a cool shower for your brain. They wash away the last little bits of stress.
I love the sound of water, Finn. Let's look at our first word, flow. Flow. Say it slowly in your mind. Flow. It feels like something moving gently. Imagine your thoughts are like leaves on a river. They just flow away from you. You don't need to catch them. Just watch them move. Flow, flow, flow. It's so simple, but it feels so good.
Our next word is mist. M-I-S-T. Mist is like a very light rain that you can barely feel. It is soft and cool. Imagine a beautiful mist is covering your room. It is a sleepy mist. Every time you breathe in this cool mist. It makes your head feel light. It makes your eyes feel heavy. The mist is here. I am relaxing.
That is beautiful, Finn. And let's add one more. Ripple. Ripple. A ripple is a small circle on the water. Imagine you drop a tiny stone into a silent lake. The ripples go out, further and further, until the water is flat again. Your stress is like that stone. It is gone. Now the water is flat. The water is still. Your mind is like that lake now. Still, flat, quiet.
I can almost feel the water on my skin. When you use these words, flow, mist, ripple, you are giving your brain a message. You are saying, it is okay to be soft. It is okay to be quiet. You don't have to be strong right now. You just have to be like water. Just flow.
You are doing so well. Your English is helping you sleep. Your breath is helping you sleep. Flow, mist, ripple. Let these words dance in your head. In the next part, Finn and I are going to take you to a special place, a hidden garden where the sun has set and the stars are out. It is the most quiet place in the world.
I am ready to go to the garden. It is my favorite part. Take one more deep breath with us. Wash away the day. We are almost there.
Now, let's go on a trip. You don't need a suitcase. You only need your imagination. Imagine you are standing in a beautiful, silent garden. It is night. The sky is dark blue. The moon is big and bright. It looks like a silver plate in the sky. The air is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. It smells like flowers and green grass.
You are walking on a soft path. There is no noise here. Only the sound of your steps on the grass. Crunch, crunch. It is very relaxing. You see a big old tree. Its branches are like long arms. They are protecting you. Under the tree, there is a comfortable chair with many pillows. This chair is just for you. Sit down. Feel how soft it is.
Look up at the stars. There are thousands of them. In English, we say they are twinkling. Each star is a little light of peace. Imagine one star is for your heart. One star is for your mind. The garden is very quiet. No cars, no phones, no busy people. Just you, the trees, and the moon. You are very, very safe here.
You feel heavy in your chair. Your legs feel heavy. Your arms feel heavy. You look at the flowers in the garden. They are sleeping too. Their petals are closed. Everything in nature is resting. And now it is your turn. The garden is whispering to you. It is okay to sleep now. Everything is finished.
Our journey for tonight is ending. You did a great job today. You listened, you learned, and you relaxed. Your English is getting better, even while you rest. But now, forget about the words. Forget about the garden. Just feel the bed under you.
Before we go, remember your sleep anchor from before. Just say, I am at peace. Repeat it slowly. We are leaving you now, but the peace stays with you. I am already half asleep myself. It was wonderful to spend this time with you.
Good night, dear friend. Tomorrow is a new day, a fresh start. But tonight is for dreams. Close your eyes, stay warm, stay safe.
Good night. Sleep tight. Peace. Sleep. Goodbye.